Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I was thinking that what should I talk and how to recontinue my making a video. Look, I two before a 2 3 days I was so busy in searching good mutual fund and how my fund are how my fund would be safe. Then I was trying for this, and then I got some good mutual fund that I can invest, so I did. So let's back on my topic, that how to recontinue my process. Look, when I was doing this process, then I was so busy in this process and I have no time to continue my English process. So I was decided that first I have to do this, then after I can continue my process. What's happened? Nothing. So I start for today to recontinue my learning process. Look, I have some specific mutual fund that I can invest. I find out and figuring out this, and then I did it. So it's okay to take some time to invest your money in a good mutual fund. It's good for you. And then after I realized that I should find my interest, where I'm so interested. Look, I'm interested in a stock market also, but it's not a very good way to become a productive. So you have to choose another way, because it if you have a money, then you are eligible to invest. Otherwise no. So you have to make your own money, not your only husband money. Because if you make your own money, then you have a real faith about your money. I know that you have a real faith about your husband's money, it also, but in between, chances are majority of cases in weighted in your side. If you make your own money, then you have connected with your money emotionally and practically. So chances are that you can't do mistakes. You can do mistakes some little, but you can't do heavy mistake. So that's why I want to make my money. So still this is happening with me. It's okay, and I'm trying my best every day to learn skills, to develop myself, and it all connected with my growth. Look, I was a very confused woman, and I was still have no idea what to do. Then I jumped in this process, how to be a growth woman, and how to manage our home, how to manage our husband's condition, family condition, children's condition, all about this. So I was decided that let's try what's happened. I'm doing nothing now right now, and if I get setback, what happened? Nothing. You feel, and I know that sometimes you feel very guilt, but it's okay, no problem. If you try to learn new things, it's not wrong way. At least you are at a right pathway. Merely you have to find out your interest, where you are so interested, and you have that questions. I know that, and you want to figuring out this question through your question. This is so funny, na? So let's question yourself. What is your interest? You like English language, you like walking, you like speaking English language, and you like English, all English language type. But still, but yet, this is the real interest you. I think you have to think about it, because if you are not thinking about it, that means you are not interested. So think about it. Are you interested in your English learning, and are you interested in driving a laptop? This is the small things, this is a small object, you can say. But you have to think, you have a big vision, then you have to work with your big vision. And if you have no idea how to find your interest, then live with your question. Then God will give you automatically answer. Thank you.